For this demonstration, we will be using Pixlr X, the powerful and easy-to-use online photo editing tool. We'll be exploring Pixlr's main features to help you quickly improve your images. Let's start with the interface. Once you've opened Pixlr, you'll see an editor divided into three main sections: Tools on the left, your work area in the center, and layer options on the right. The main tools you will need are Crop and Rotate. The Crop tool lets you cut out an unwanted part of your image or resize the image to suit your needs. It can also be used to resize the image to fit a specific size or format, for example for social networking or printing. The Rotate tool lets you rotate the image clockwise or anti-clockwise. This can be useful if your image is tilted or if you simply want to change its orientation. Adjust and Filter tool. You can quickly improve the appearance of your images by adjusting various parameters. Here is an overview of the possibilities offered by this feature. Brightness. Increase or decrease the brightness of your image to make it lighter or darker, as you prefer. Contrast. Adjust the contrast to bring out the details in your image. A higher contrast accentuates the difference between light and dark tones. Saturation. Control the intensity of the colors in your image. Increase saturation for brighter color or decrease it for softer. Sharpness. Improve the sharpness of your image to make contour more defined and detail clearer. This can be particularly useful for slightly blurred photos. Temperature. Modify the temperature of your colors in your image. A warmer setting gives a yellow-red tint, while a cooler setting gives a blue tint. Text. The Text tab lets you add text to your image. Plays with fonts, size, and color to create eye-catching graphics. Pixlr is a powerful tool, so don't hesitate to experiment and play with the feature to discover what you can create. With a little practice, you'll be able to enhance all your image quickly and effectively. As a bonus, Pixlr has developed two targeted applications that can also help you. Photomash. Pixlr's Photomash tool allows you to combine multiple images creatively. With Photomash, you can overlay images, blend them together, and create unique compositions. This tool is perfect to making artistic collages combining different elements from various photos into one captivating image. Remove BG. Remove BG is a powerful background removal tool offered by Pixlr. It enables you to easily remove the background from your photos, leaving you with a clean, isolated subject. This tool is incredibly useful for creating professional-looking product images, profile pictures, or any visuals where you want to focus on the main subject without distraction from the background.